Alrighty guys, we are on factoring quadratics when a is not equal to 1, when e. So I know this looks like the last two assignments, but here, this time we're actually going to do the factoring. Hopefully by now you've gotten used to the process. We are, of course, going to start identifying a, b, and c, as we've been doing for quite a while at this point. A here is 2, b is 13, and c is 21. We know on the top I'm going to have a times c. 2 times 21 is 42. B on the bottom is going to be 13. Now there's only really two ways to make 42, right? It's going to be 7 times 6, or it's going to be 42 times 1. Now obviously it can't be 42 times 1, because if we added that together, we'd have 43. That's way too big. So it's got to be the other one, 7 times 6. And again, if you put 6 times 7, it doesn't make any difference here. All right, now that's not new. Now the last two assignments, we focused on how we can use that to fill in our box. So let's go ahead and do that next. I'm going to put my first term, 2x squared, in the top left. And I put my last term, positive 21, in the bottom right. And then the 7 and 6, they go in the box too, but not just 7 and 6, it becomes 7x and 6x. Now, if you're not sure how to do that part, please go back and look at the previous two videos where I go into this a little bit slower. I'm assuming at this point on this assignment that you can already do that part. So what are we going to do next? Well, if you remember what we were doing on 1a and 1b, now we're going to try to figure out the outside. And it's not hard, and you've already done it. So again, how do we start? We start by saying, I want to make 2x squared. How can I do that? Well, there's really only one way that's going to make sense to us. It's going to be 2x times 1x. Now, we just have that thing. Do I want to put the 2x in front, or do I want to put the 2x on the top? Well, let's see. What if I did put 2x on the top here? If I put 2x on the top here, then over here where I have to make 7x, I'm going to have a problem. And it actually could be done using a fraction, but we want to avoid using fractions when we can. So instead of putting my 2x in the top, I'm going to put the 2x in the front, and I can see going from 2x to 6x, that's not hard. I just have to multiply by 3. So that's going to be the way that works. Now let's go, I have the 2x already here, let's put the x on top. And then let's just finish this off. Now I already said to go from 2x to 6x, I'm going to multiply by positive 3. And over here to get from x to 7x, I'm going to need a positive 7. And then I check it. Do the 7 and the 3 together give me that positive 21? And yes, they do. And so what does that all mean? When I put all that information together, that means that my original quadratic is equal to 2x plus 7 times x plus 3. And again, I know we don't really have room to write them equal to each other, but that's what we're trying to say here. This original quadratic is equal to this factored form. All right, so we're getting there, right? We're close to finishing this section up. Now, there is one more step we'll take, but let's not worry about that for now. There you go. Thank you.